coffee one so bad because I'm gonna have a coffee business, so I need a coffee one. You want that one?
Where's the raccoon?
I want this one so bad. Oh! Wiener dog, wiener dog. My videographer is really, really good at what he does. Yeah, I'm done in here. I'm not gonna buy anything. Okay, okay. They're so cool! Okay, don't walk away. So good. You said you'd try it. Avoid the coconut. You don't have to. Don't get the whipped cream. Here, I'll try to get you. What did you do?
Watch my lips.
Have you ever done that in slow motion?
No.
It's things that may not seem exciting, but they're exciting to me. I did partially open it already, but... Hi, sorry to interrupt, but I realize it's probably going to be very confusing as to why I'm purchasing all these items that would help you make coffee. So rewind a little bit. I am in the makes of my own coffee business, and I'm starting at home, and I just got an espresso machine, and I'm trying to get little items to start making those coffees. I'm gonna be posting a lot about that journey, so that's why I want to like just kind of clear that up real quick. Yeah, enjoy the video. A milk frother. It's like pink and gold. It's so cute. Paper cups. These are the hot cups, like for hot drinks. Yeah, they are. It's like have little flowers on them. Literally so many in here. These are the boring iced coffee ones. They're just like, I'm not even gonna fully open it. They're like the natural straws, so it's like not wasteful. Here's my other one. I'll be back. Syrup dispensers. I actually got 4 of them, so I forgot to mention they're pink. Nice, comes with like little labels for them. Lastly are these shells that I need to build for the pumps of syrup. I can't bake that up. Don't bake it. Got the unicorn frappuccino.
You're up first.
She was 4 when this came out.
Whoa, that's a lot of makeup.
Whoa, you're right.
Nice and blurred. That's good. Pink.
Yeah, it doesn't taste pink. It's kind of tripping me out a little bit.
It's good though.
I rate it a
380
7 out of 10.
calories,
6.7.
5 grams of protein.
Bruh.
Just kidding. Alright, we out of here. We waited years to try that.